got that now.
Truck gang. Truck gang.
Looks like that. Oh.
Huh.
Nice. Yep. Oh, here comes an old jalopy down there.
Oh yeah.
Old floppy. Yeah, old floppy. Here comes old floppy.
Floppy.
Can we go today?
Yeah.
Yay. Like, I don't... That's a drag car. That was a drag car with a parachute on the back. That was cool. It smells stinky.
What the heck is this guy doing?
He's blocking all their view.
Dude.
U.S. mail. The mail's gotta go through.
Well, that is yeah.
Rain, sleet,
Gotta go through.
Yeah, the
G.
mail's gotta get through.
Mail has to go through.
Rick, we don't have a time limit. We have to be back because it's not a school night. So we could like stay.
What?
We don't have a time limit of when to be back.
There we go.
Woo! That's a lowrider. That's not in truck gang. It's cool. Truck gang.
Hey.
Lowrider, not in truck gang.
A lot of cars. How many do you think?
There's a truck. Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Oh.
Boo. There's that car. Oh, that sound. That sound.
That guy went by
What?
Nova. I think that's it to go. I got the blue Chevelle right
Yeah.
there.
I don't think they started repeating yet.
No, because here comes your full-size bus like
Yeah, bro. I'm at a car show in Vinton, Iowa today. These are some crazy cool cars, too.
No.
Quiet. It's the Scooby-Doo van. Without...
Yeah.
It's the Scooby-Doo van without the Scooby-Doo stuff. Ooh, that's a beautiful Corvette. You see that kid going...
What's going on now? What are you doing?
This.
Don't be doing that.
I thought you were flipping them off.
No.
Grandma don't need a bar phone.
She wave at you.
Yeah,
Is it over?
I think that's it.
But there's still more cars.
yeah, they'll be coming. They're routing around town. They'll take another route.
They didn't last year.
Huh?
They didn't much last year.
Right. We got it.
Ooh, cars. They're cars. Truck. Ooh, blue Corvette. We haven't seen that. That's a Corvette.
Lamborghini.
That's a Corvette, Sarah.
Lamborghini.
It's not a. That's not a Lamborghini. It's a Corvette.
Lamborghini.
No, it's.